8 or 10 students are standing outside the class with they have been punished for not bringing the dictionary and the books. So make sure if you come to school, kindly come with all the things. People who are listening to me online, am I clear? Okay, so have I taken up the question and answers of the first part? I think I have taken a few questions, if I remember. First question was already been discussed. The other boy asked Ranji to explain himself. What did he expect Ranji to say? This question also. First and second were over. Any doubt? Any disagreement? Third one. Between Ranji and the other boy who is trying to start a quarrel, give a reason for your answer. Very valid question, and it is not that tough at all.
When the other boy is trying to create a quarrel.
How can we know the other boy? Why do you think so? Who is this? Arav. Who said so? Okay, okay. Arav, so why do you think so? We have to. I'm saying if you think that the other boy is quite quarrelsome in nature, what reasons are you putting forth for the same? है ना हमें reason भी देना है. Anyone, any one episode?
Man, that he was quite unfriendly. Because the stranger was unfriendly.
All right, so he was unfriendly. Anybody else who can add more value to this? Arav has started. If we pay attention, correct, if we pay attention to the dialogue conversation of this fellow with Ranji, the moment he recognized some intruder's presence in his felt area, he felt that that territory belonged to him. Who? The other boy, right? The one who was already living in that place. But Ranji was new to that place, yes or no? So if we pay attention to the dialogue conversation, the way he introduced by popping up so many questions, the boy who was quite familiar and genial in nature, he was taken aback. He was actually expecting a warm welcome, but actually the welcome turned out in some other way, right? So we can definitely cite some evidence and some episodes also, like the way he asked, what, who are you, and he was so persistent in making him leave the area, wasn't he? Okay, then we will have to continue the fight, said the other. What made him say that? Did the fight continue? If not, why not? Okay, what could be the answer of the second one? Second part. People who are sitting offline. Utkarsh, you are here today. Are you here with your dictionary and book? Then it has to be used and people have to participate also in the conversation. What can be the second part's answer? You're coming after so many days. At least you should attend. Take part. Do not be a mute person. The corner boy, red mask. I'll be asking you next. Be ready with your answers. What do you think? Did the fight continue?
Yes,
What should be the answer? Did the fight continue? What should be the answer? If not, why not? Both were exhausted, panting for breath, but nobody was ready to accept the same. Was they? Were they? No one. But they were so adamant that they made a proclamation that it will continue. And I shall definitely face you tomorrow. Who said to whom? Both of them said to each other, right? Yes. Then the first part, what made him say that? What can we write in this one?
Ma'am, because both of them were exhausted.
In a way, they both were, were not eager to give up on the fight and to show the same through their emotion and gesture. What do you think? This is what I felt. If I am exhausted and if I do not want to accept my defeat, so what will I say? I shall continue the fight tomorrow. And it's still not over. Remember, it's still not over. Are you able to get my point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope the first part is jet clear to all of us. Can we embark on the second part journey?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am.
Okay. So three bullets are chiefly covered in the second part. Next day, the two claimants face each other across the pool. They throw challenges and counter challenges at each other. The best solution they realize lies not in fighting each other, but fighting together for something so meaningful it is. Usually, we see people around us fighting with each other. Like nations have war, civil wars. Is it beneficial for a nation to have civil war? You should always stay together, stick together to remain united so that you can reach new heights on the global platform. So, similarly, let us see how the things get progressive with both of them. When Ranji got home, he found it difficult to explain the cuts and bruises that showed on his face, leg, and arms. It was difficult to conceal the fact that he had been in an unusually violent fight, and his mother insisted on his staying at home for the rest of the day. Has the mother recognized that the boy is not well? That evening, though
Yes,
he,
ma'am.
correct, that evening, though he slipped out of the house and went to the bazaar, where he found comfort and solace in a bottle of vividly colored lemonade and a banana leaf full of hot, sweet jalebis. What do you mean by solace? Anybody, any vague attempt, any guess? I need some solace, please. Can you just guess what can be the meaning? Hold your ears properly. Hanji? Solace stands for comfort in?
And comfort. And comfort. And comfort that feel better.
Some peaceful state. Say you got last yesterday it was turned out that your last period was a substitution, and that too cherry on the cake, it turned out to be a games period. So it was a state of solace for all of you. You might have felt so happy, है ना? So ऐसे मौके बड़े कम ही मिलते हैं, but anyhow, the students were lucky yesterday. Now, comfort in grief. So how can we use this word? ग्रीफ, बच्चों को ग्रीफ नहीं होता है, बच्चों को गेम्स नहीं मिल रहा है, बहुत दुख में है वो. क्या ये कंटेक्स्ट नहीं? तभी तो इतना चुन के मैंने एग्जांपल दिया है. ग्रीफ ही ग्रीफ है. कोई हैप्पी है क्या यहाँ पे? आधे 10 बाहर खड़े हैं, आप यहाँ पे बैठे हुए, मजबूरी है, क्या कर सकते हैं. खैर, अच्छे से एक्सप्रेशन देना है मैम को. All right, so yeah, you know what is a lemonade? नींबू पानी kind of. Have you ever had a lemonade?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Ideal for summer, hot summer noons. He had just finished the lemonade when he saw his adversary coming down the road. His first impulse was to turn away and look elsewhere, his second to throw the lemonade bottle at his enemy. But he did neither of he did neither of these things. Instead, he stood his ground. Have a look at this illustration. The yellow one seems to be the other boy, and the red one is Ranji. Right? So, what feelings they are carrying in each other's hearts? Yeah, and the warrior said nothing either. Wait a sec. Why the content is not. Wait. Yeah. Either, but scowled back with equal ferocity. The next day was as hot as the previous one. Ranji felt weak and lazy and not at all eager for a fight. So, mean the day they encountered each other, they did not do anything with each other. Yes? Reason? The same. They were still in the exhaustive mood. They did not feel like to start the fight, to begin the fight. Right? And now next day has come, but he could not refuse the challenge. No, sorry, I missed one line. His body was stiff and sore after the previous day's encounter, but he could not refuse the challenge. Not to turn up at the pool would be an acknowledgement of defeat. From the way he felt just then, he knew he would be beaten in another fight. But he could not acquiesce in his own defeat. He must defy his enemy to the last or outwit him, for only then could he gain his respect. If he surrendered now, he would be beaten for all time. But to fight and be beaten today left him free to fight and be beaten again. As long as he fought, he had a right to the pool in the forest. Take your time and sum up this paragraph for me, all of you. 2 minutes time. Who is going to begin? Sum up. इसको बेटा इधर मोड़ो ना, तुम्हारे सर में लग जाएगी, आंख में लग जाएगी. Red.
Yes, ma'am.
Begin.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody can take the lead one by one.
Platform when the time when we went to the bazaar.
Can you say it again?
Ma'am, we have to sum up the paragraph
From the next day, and in the forest.
Okay.
This one only. Please begin.
That was a hot and sunny day, and that was hot and hot as the previous one. And when he felt relief because he was exhausted by the finished fight and he could not use the challenge and he could not accept his own
Surrendered.
he could not accept his own surrender.
हथियार डाल देना
And because he knows humility didn't again there,
Surrendered.
he will have to
हथियार छोड़ दे,
and
surrender कर दे.
ये होता है बताने का मतलब वो देखी नहीं जाएगी इसलिए नहीं बताती
the battle will not never win, and he will be beaten for all the time. So he will thought that if he went there, then he has the right to the food and has the respect for him.
okay thank you Sumit anybody else from offline mode Rituraj I have a question for you get up since we all know the basic nature of these two boys are just poles apart I'm sure you agree what we have observed so far. Ranji has a very civilized kind of demeanor, right? And on the contrary, the other boy is, just like very raw and yeah, he does not seem to have very cultured way of greeting and to welcome people, right? So my question is, though Ranji was not of this kind of nature, but why is he acting so? He's almost acting like how the stranger boy is in his disposition because he Ranji also want to have his right on the pool but he's so gullible and happy and he's not somebody who would like to be into fights and to quarrel with people. Why can't he give up? Why can't he just make peace with this stranger boy? But the boy is friendly. So, are you able to get my point? Say if a good person is getting involved with a bad person, in short, in a simple language, so will the good person leave his goodness just to make a point to the bad person? This is my point. Now answer. Enough of things have been written. Huh? Have a look. His body was stiff, sore after the previous day's encounter, but he could not refuse the challenge. What could be the reason? Not to turn up at the pool would be an acknowledgement of defeat. Does not it reflect the common mindset of a grown up child? Do you people not think this way? Often in classroom tussles, huh? If you are not on good terms with any of the class fellows, and if there is a heated argument going on, will you like to act as Gandhi ji? Only in books, not in reality. So, he could not refuse the challenge. Not to turn up at the pool would be an acknowledgement of defeat. From the way he felt just then, he knew he would be beaten in another fight. Who felt this way? The good boy Ranji, right? Why does he think so? He know his potential and his inner strength. सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट तो है लेकिन एक जो फैक्ट है लेकिन एक जो बॉडी की कैपेसिटी है कैन यू gulp 40 liters of water in one go? We know how much we can sip, how much we can drink, yes or no? So he knows. That's why he's so confidently he's knowing this fact that I know if I turn up, I would be beaten up in another fight. But he could not acquiesce in his own defeat except quietly. But he could not. What could be the reason? This I'm asking. Anybody who is online can brainstorm. He must defy his enemy to the last or outwit him. Outwit का मतलब क्या हो सकता है? You always outwit your teachers in respond to the questions which they throw at you. Say, why are you not sincere? Why is it so tough to be concentrated in 40 minutes time schedule? You always have your wonderful answers. Anybody? Is my question even reaching you? समझ में आ रहा है मेरा सवाल? बेटा ये ह्यूमन माइंड है. आप खुद भी अगर रंजी को अपनी जगह रख के देखेंगे तो आपका एक सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट है, उसके लिए यू विल ट्राई योर लेवल बेस्ट. हाँ, इवन इफ यू आर फीलिंग वीकर बट यू विल नॉट शो. डू यू डू सो इन योर रियल लाइफ?
Then maybe you think that he will fall in his own eyesight.
या सो आईसाइट किसकी है? उसी की तो है ना. ही कैनॉट सी हिमसेल्फ गोइंग डाउन.
मैम वो हो सकता है वो अपनी नजरों में गिरना ना.
Wow, wow, how to say this nazron mein girna in English? Poonam?
Fall inside.
Fall inside, fall from the pool, fall from the Hudru halls. Falls, है ना? Lovely try. Is this para understood? I hope so it is.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
If not, still not, then you are recommended for a third reading on your own part. Word. So can you apply it in some sentence? Saransh, try to make. आपने एक हिंदी में you might have heard a word किसी को निरुत्तर कर देना means somebody is so good with a witty and prompt reply that any question will not be gone unattended. He has a reply, an apt reply to each and everything. Outwit. Okay, so the next para, he was half hoping that the warrior would have forgotten the challenge. He was half hoping, not full. Pay attention. Why was he not fully confident? There has to have a reason. But these hopes were dashed when he saw his opponent sitting stripped to the waist on a rock on the other side of the pool. The warrior was rubbing oil on his body. What does it show? Was he getting prepared?
Yes, ma'am.
He saw Ranji beneath the sal trees and called a challenge across the waters of the pool. Come over on this side and fight, he shouted. But Ranji was not going to submit to any condition laid down by his opponent. Come this side and fight, he shouted back with equal vigor. Swim across and fight me here, called the other boy. Or perhaps you cannot swim the length of this pool. Who has popped this question to whom? The other boy to? Ranji. But Ranji could have swum the length of the pool a dozen times without tiring. And here he would show the warrior his superiority. So slipping out of his vest, he dived straight into the water, cutting through it like a knife and surfaced with hardly a splash. The warrior's mouth hung open in amazement. Why so? Why was he amazed?
Ma'am, because he prepared for he was in shock that he can die with water.
एक एक करके बोलिए बेटा, आप लोगों की आवाज बहुत इको करती है. हाँ पूनम, से अगेन.
Ma'am, the stranger boy thinks that Ranji is not able to
Swim.
swim the river that is near.
So finish the sentence. So when he
Ma'am, when the stranger boy looked at Ranji, that
he saw him diving into the pool, he was quite shocked. This way it could have been spoken from your end. है ना? Am I quoting correct? Was this the case going on? And the other reason was he could not predict that he knew. Exactly. इसे कहते हैं इन्फर करना. टेक्स्ट से इन्फर करना. ये स्किल्स अगर आप में नहीं है तो आप लोगों को रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में बहुत टाइम लगेगा. बोर्ड में तो आप लोग फिर मछलियां, एंड whales. Rest is understood. You can dive, he exclaimed. You can dive. It is easy, said Ranji, treading water, waiting for a further challenge. Can't you dive? No, said the other. I jump straight in. But if you will tell me how, I will make a dive. Now, here the conversation is taking another turn. It is easy, said Ranji. Stand on the rock, stretch your arms out, and allow your head to displace your feet. The warrior stood up, stiff and straight, stretched out his arms, and threw himself into the water. He landed flat on his belly with a crash that sent the birds screaming out of the trees. So, was the posture and movement correct? Ranji dissolved into laughter. Are you trying to empty the pool? He asked as the warrior came to the surface, spouting water like a small whale. Wasn't it good? Asked the boy, evidently proud of his feat. Not very good. You should have more practice. See, I will do it again. This much for today. Okay, I shall take up more in my next. Is this clear and understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.